All right, hi families and friends at home. I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit more about how to dig deep using Teams and Class Notebook. So just a reminder, when you're in Teams, make sure that this icon here is lit up for you on the side. And then you have a couple of options here. Here's General, and then I've created some breakout groups, Asynchronous Learning, Extra Help, and Reading with Jessica. Anytime you see that little purple camera, that tells you the meeting has started. And if I click on Reading with Jessica, for instance, I can join that group. If I want to go back to my general area where my morning and afternoon meetings are, if that purple camera is lit up, it means the meeting is ready to be joined. So you can click on that join button and wait to be accepted in. All right, so that's great. We're going to jump over now to the class notebook. So the class notebook is a great feature for us to use to be able to do a lot of our work. So when I first open up class notebook, the first thing I want to do is actually click here where these books are. These books are not highlighted yet. So if I click on them, they turn purple and I get all of my menu options. The next step that's going to be most helpful to me is going to go and click on my name here. Right now you can see my name, but your name should appear there as well. So when you click, you'll see a menu option drop down and there's a whole bunch of different subjects. So all of the subjects are right here, and we've already worked on music, and we created a music title page there, and we got started. We're going to jump over now to health. So when I click on health, it actually might disappear on me. So I can use my scroll bar, cursor bar there, and I can still see health is highlighted, and I'm going to be working on my health title page. So you can see I've already gotten mine started here, and I immediately went and clicked where this line is, and I was able to type in my own title. I was able to draw a picture of an apple and even insert some artwork. So I'm going to show you how to do those things today. Again, if you lose your other page there, or you want to see if your title actually went through, you can click on the books and it's going to show you that the name has changed to health title page. On your computer, it might say untitled page right now until you write on the line. So let's get in there. First things first, we have a whole bunch of tools at the top: home, insert, and draw. So we're going to go to the draw feature, and I've already drawn an apple here, so maybe next what I can do is I can draw a banana. So what I'm going to do is go to my pen. I need to get the color yellow, which is not an option here yet, so I click on yellow, and my thickness line is maybe going to be a medium thickness for my banana. And I'm going to go ahead and just draw my healthy option here, my fruit, and that's my banana. All right, so now I have my banana drawn in, and that's perfect. The next step is maybe I want to draw some clip art, or I want to put in some pictures of some fruit and things like that. So I'm going to go to the insert option here. And I can see none of these things are highlighted, which is a problem for a lot of you at home. And I'm going to show you how to fix that. Go back to draw, click on type, and now when you go to, and you're going to click insert somewhere else other than where your pictures are, go to insert and go to from online. That's going to let you search anything, banana, or actually let's just do fruit bowl. And that should give us some fruits. And now I can go ahead and click on this healthy option, scroll down on the side here and click insert. Or if I click on it and I press enter, that should do the same thing as well. So now I have my picture inserted. And it's a little bit big for me, so I can click on my picture. And when I click on it, I get some options on the side to make it smaller. And now my picture is a little bit smaller for me to use. Next thing is my picture of an apple here. It might be confusing to some people. Maybe they don't know it's a picture of an apple. So I'm going to go back to draw, and I'm going to click on the type arrow, and I'm just going to type apple. If I want to change my font, I can highlight it, and then it lets me change it a little bit bigger. I can make it a different special type of font. But it has to be something that's easy to read. And now I have gone ahead and finished with that. Now let's say I made a mistake and accidentally I did this and I colored all over my page. Oh no, I can use my eraser and I can click on what I just did, or what I can do, let's say I did it again. Oh no, green, I have this undo button, and that undo button will help me. So the next step here is we go back into our book, and I want to add a new page. The new page is for all of my next work in health. So good luck, boys and girls. I hope that helps.